Wagwan, V-Gates, what's up? You don't know we there for the nyamins. Let's get into the recipe. So let's make this delicious banana fritters. Here I'm using 4 bananas. Okay, I went ahead and I peeled 3 or 4 bananas, and here I have one to show you just how we need our bananas. We need to have our bananas very ripe. The riper your bananas are, the sweeter your banana fritters will be. Okay, so now you know when your bananas are overripe, you don't throw them away, you make banana fritters. Okay. And here I have some oil, I have flour, and I have vanilla, I have nutmeg, and I have cinnamon here, and some brown sugar. And I'm gonna use a little bit of salt. Yes, so that's it. Banana fritters, quick and easy. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the other banana here. So in total we have 4 bananas. Then I'm gonna go ahead and crush our bananas. Use whatever you have. You can use a potato masher or whatever you have, use it. So this is how your banana should look after crushing. Yes, you want to ensure that you crush it as much as possible. So we now want to go in with our brown sugar. And then I'm going to go ahead and add our nutmeg and our cinnamon powder. And then next I'm going to add our vanilla. I'm using a corkful here, which is about 2 teaspoons. And then I'm gonna go in with a pinch of salt. We're now gonna add our flour a little at a time, and then we mix it all in. Remember to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Click that notification bell that says all, so whenever I make a new upload, you will be notified. Thank you. We are on the road to 2K. Come and join this awesome family. Our mixture is all ready. We are gonna go ahead and make our banana fritters. Over here I have some oil in a pot here, which is already hot. This is very important. Make sure that your oil is hot when you're making banana fritters, so you won't be disappointed. Okay? So I'm gonna go in with our mixture. Here I'm using a ladle, but you can use what you have. You can use any spoon of your choice. You can make your banana fritters in any shape or any size, your way. Okay? At this point your stove should be on medium to high. Alright, so we're gonna fry our fritters at least for 3 minutes on one side. Alright, and then we're gonna flip it on the other side. So it's about 3 minutes. I'm now gonna go ahead and flip our banana fritters on the other side according to how I put them in. This was the first one. This one could be a little bit more golden. Also this one, I guess because of the position that they're over that side, maybe it's not so bubbling hot, but look at them. You see how fluffy and nice they are, and they're easily turned because my oil was hot. Look at our banana fritters, nice and lovely. You see how fluffy they are? Yes, and the other two that was not so golden, I went ahead and I flipped them over, and so you know I think they have the perfect color now. So I'm placing our banana fritters on paper towel so the excess oil can be removed. This is an awesome breakfast recipe. The entire family will love it. Lovely banana fritters. You will enjoy it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a second batch, but I'm just gonna come back with a presentation because it's the same procedure. So there we have it, family, our banana fritters all done. How much of these would you eat right now? Comment below and let me know. To be honest, I could eat them all. That's how tasty they are. Yummy, yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting and sharing. You all be blessed. See you in my next video. Bye for now.